Question 1. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Homi Bhabha. B. Vikram Sarabhai. C. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. C.V. Raman. Answer C. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question 2. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. D. Mars. Answer B. Jupiter. Question 3. Who was the first president of India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Patel. D. Zakir Hussain. Answer A. Rajendra Prasad. Question 4. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 5. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Ganga. D. Yangtze. Answer B. Nile. Question 6. What is the capital of Japan? A. Kyoto. B. Tokyo. C. Osaka. D. Hiroshima. Answer B. Tokyo. Question 7. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Indian Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer C. Pacific Ocean. Question 8. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. South Korea. C. Thailand. D. Japan. Answer D. Japan. Question 9. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer A. Vitamin A. Question 10. What is the chemical symbol of gold? A. Ag. B. O. C. Gd. D. Go. Answer B. O. Question 11. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Nikola Tesla. C. Alexander Graham Bell. D. James Watt. Answer C. Alexander Graham Bell. Question 12. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Carbon dioxide. Question 13. Which is the highest mountain in the world? A. K2. B. Kanchenjunga. C. Mount Everest. D. Maklu. Answer C. Mount Everest. Question 14. What is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Elephant. D. Leopard. Answer B. Tiger. Question 15. What is the currency of India? A. Dollar. B. Taka. C. Rupee. D. Yen. Answer C. Rupee. Question 16. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Thar Desert. B. Sahara Desert. C. Gobi Desert. D. Arabian Desert. Answer B. Sahara Desert. Question 17. How many planets are there in the solar system? A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. D. 10. Answer B. 8. Question 18. Who discovered gravity? A. Albert Einstein. B. Isaac Newton. C. Galileo. D. Kepler. Answer B. Isaac Newton. Question 19. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Maldives. C. Vatican City. D. San Marino. Answer C. Vatican City. Question B. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 21. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Mercury. D. Saturn. Answer A. Mars. Question 22. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Perth. Answer C. Canberra. Question 23. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Patel. Answer B. R. Ambedkar. Question 24. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. D. Leopard. Answer C. Cheetah. Question 25. What is the largest continent? A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Asia. D. North America. Answer C. Asia. Question 26. Which organ pumps blood in the body? A. Brain. B. Liver. C. Heart. D. Kidney. Answer C. Heart. Question 27. What is the tallest building in the world? A. Shanghai Tower. B. Burj Khalifa. C. One World Trade Center. D. Petronas Towers. Answer B. Burj Khalifa. Question 28. Which Indian city is called the Pink City? A. Udaipur. B. Jaipur. C. Jodhpur. D. Bikaner. Answer B. Jaipur. Question 29. Who invented the World Wide Web? A. Bill Gates. B. Steve Jobs. C. Tim Berners-Lee. D. Mark Zuckerberg. Answer C. Tim Berners-Lee. Question 30. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury. B. Iron. C. Copper. D. Silver. Answer A. Mercury. Question 31. What is the hardest natural substance? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Diamond. D. Quartz. Answer C. Diamond. Question 32. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? A. Buzz Aldrin. B. Yuri Gagarin. C. Neil Armstrong. D. Michael Collins. Answer C. Neil Armstrong. Question 33. What is the national flower of India? A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Sunflower. D. Jasmine. Answer B. Lotus. Question 34. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Vancouver. C. Ottawa. D. Montreal. Answer C. Ottawa. Question 35. Which was India's first satellite? A. Bhaskar. B. Aryabhat. C. Rohini. D. Insat. Answer B. Aryabhat. Question 36. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? A. Dal Lake. B. Wooler Lake. C. Chilika Lake. D. Loktak Lake. Answer B. Wooler Lake. Question 37. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. D. Narmada. Answer B. Godavari. Question 38. Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer C. Rajasthan. Question 39. Which state has the longest coastline in India? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B. Gujarat. Question 40. Which country has the largest population in the world? A. China. B. India. C. USA. D. Indonesia. Answer B. India. Question 41. Who is the current President of India? A. Ram Nath Kovind. B. Pratibha Patil. C. Draupadi Murmu. D. Narendra Modi. Answer C. Draupadi Murmu. Question 42. What is the highest civilian award in India? A. Padma Shri. B. Padma Bhushan. C. Bharat Ratna. D. Padma Vibhushan. Answer C. Bharat Ratna. Question 43. Which planet has the most moons? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus. D. Neptune. Answer B. Saturn. Question 44. What is the speed of light? A. 1,50,000 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड. B. 2,99,792 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड. C. 2 लाख किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड. D. 3,50,000 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड. Answer B. 2,99,792 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड. Question 45. Which acid is present in vinegar? A. Sulfuric acid. B. Acetic acid. C. Nitric acid. D. Hydrochloric acid. Answer B. Acetic acid. Question 46. What is the largest animal on earth? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. D. Shark. Answer B. Blue whale. Question 47. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Stapes. C. Tibia. D. Radius. Answer B. Stapes. Question 48. Which instrument measures earthquakes? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Seismograph. D. Hygrometer. Answer C. Seismograph. Question 49. Which organ purifies blood in the body? A. Liver. B. Heart. C. Kidney. D. Lung. Answer C. Kidney. Question 50. What is the capital of France? A. Berlin. B. Madrid. C. Paris. D. Rome. Answer C. Paris. Write your score in the comments. If you scored 50 out of 50, congratulations, you are truly a GK champion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting quizzes. See you in the next video.